Okay, whoops. Jumping ahead about an hour because I needed all that time to pack and get ready, but I'm currently on the road. The first stop I'm making is to 7 Brew. We just got a 7 Brew here and I really like their energy drinks. I'm stopping there, even though I have to go the opposite way to go to my destination. Then I'm gonna be picking up a little stranger alert along the way. We'll be on our way there. All right, just an update. I am in the 7 Brew drive-thru. It's pretty poppin' for 8:30 in the morning almost. I'm a little mad I wore this sweatshirt because I'm hating how it's fitting, or my hair. Something is not right. I'm gonna have to fix it when I get to my destination. So we've got about a 15-minute drive after this, making our second stop, and then we are on the road. Okay, so we're here. And I brought Sarah with. We just got here. We, of course, had to use the ladies' room because we're moms. So we're gonna go. Look where we are. My bestie.
I'm like, what?
We're going to pick up some garbage. We got our bags. He's directing everybody, so Sarah and I will just take it from here, right?
Yes, there's a lot of people, and I'm beyond blessed and grateful for it.
Oh, it's so good. I'm so glad we're here helping.
We have people
I'm not
from
coming.
Eau Claire and Superior, Wisconsin.
Shut up, really?
Yes, we have people from all over the state, all the way down to Illinois.
Oh my gosh.
All the way to almost Iowa.
I'm obsessed. I'm so happy.
Like,
I'm glad we can make it.
such an awesome turnout.
We're like, what, an hour later? You guys started at 9?
Well, yeah.
10:30? Look at all these cars, first of all.
There's so many.
What in the world?
Morning,
There's
Tony.
so many. So we're a little late. We're a little behind the ball, but we're gonna go pick some weeds. We're gonna go pick up garbage. Bye. Yo, you got it, or? All right, where are we? The right lane? We're at the right lane, coming to you live with garbage bags. We got a little bit of stuff. Yay. Sarah's grabber's doing something. Maybe, we don't know. Yeah. It's trial and error. Crazy. I normally don't really run this lane, so even interesting for me to be over here. Just saying. Now we're on the return road. Sarah and I just climbed out from under the bleachers. We've got quite the belongings of a lot of bottle caps. What else did we get? A quarter. Yeah, that's our pay for the day. A lot of glass. Yeah, we did find a little charm of a dog I'm gonna try to turn in. Found a dead caterpillar. That was sad. I found a hair tie, so good stuff.
Oh, I found a pencil.
Sarah found a pencil. I found a lot of straws.
Yeah.
And broken utensils like forks and spoons and stuff.
Oh, glass.
A lot of glass, yeah. We're gonna make our way up here, and it's supposed to go from 9 to 5, but to be honest with you, I doubt they're gonna need everybody here till 5 because there are so many people, and all of these spaces, honestly, I feel like have been touched like twice already. Like, I know for sure when we went under the bleachers, there was a tractor out here and like 3 different people picking up garbages and raking and stuff. So we're probably like at least the second, if not the third people to touch this area. Hello. I don't know, we'll kind of reconvene. I know a lot of people were conglomerated in the open area by the store when we left. So maybe we'll pop back over there and see what the general consensus is. All right, I just walked back to the car to get a sticker for my friend Mr. Fabulous. And I just wanted to give an update. It is rounding noon. We've been here for a couple of hours, and it's really like we're getting to the point where like we don't know what else to do. I just caught up with Mr. Fabulous as well, and he's like, I don't know, there's so many people, like I really don't even know what to do or where to go anymore. So I'm thinking Sarah and I both have babies at home. We've got a little bit of a trek back for a drive, so probably best if we get out of here soon. Not that I want to, but you know, if there isn't really much for us to do, and again, we've left our children at home, we're probably gonna head out soon. And then I think we're gonna end up seeing, just in our free time, Sarah and her family again. we're gonna have a little get together for our kiddos. So just get home, have time to do that, have time to recover and spend time with our family one-on-one. I think we're pretty much rounded up here. You can see there are a ton of people just hanging around there, hanging out, which I'm totally fine to do as well. But cleanup wise, I think like I said in my last clip, like we have touched everything probably multiple times here so far. So not a lot left for us to do. So we'll just head up, see what the vibe is. Otherwise, like get White Castle.
Right.
Okay, we just got done eating. We went to the Tin Can Roadhouse.
Your Roadhouse, yes.
Okay, I got the Western burger with regular fries. I'm giving it a 7.5 out of 10.
I got the, steak Caesar salad wrap with sweet potato fries. I'm giving it maybe a 5, but the sweet potato fries were 10/10, so.
I'm giving the entire establishment like a 6.5, and that's because I like it, but it's giving dive bar, but it's not quite a dive bar. But it was good. We also didn't eat yet today. So maybe I'm rating it higher because I was so hungry.
I mean, mine wasn't bad, but it was kind of average.
Yeah, that's fine. That's totally fair. There's like a gaggle of these older ladies surrounding my car. Okay, I just dropped Sarah off. I'm really excited to share that Great Lakes has posted about the event and how it went. And they were originally going to be doing this from 9 a.m. till 5 p.m. They posted by 2 o'clock shortly after that everything that they wanted to have done is done. That is amazing. They had over 120 or something people show up to help. You could see from the clips I have, and Great Lakes has posted some clips. You should check out their Facebook below. It's obvious that this community came together and was able to knock out everything they wanted to accomplish, and I'm so happy for them. They open next week, as I said, I think in one of my clips. I'm so happy. I just dropped my friend Sarah off. I'm headed home, and I'm just glad that I got to get out and do this, and I'm glad Sarah could come with me. It was a lot nicer down there than it was up here weather-wise, so I'm glad and lucky that we got to enjoy the nice weather down there. But thank you guys for coming along with me if I don't get to see you anymore today. Thank you for watching my videos. Just remember to support your local racetracks. It really means a lot. It does a lot, and it's a great thing to do for your community regardless. So if they put something out there, if they're looking for some help and you have the time and resources, just consider doing it. Okay, have a good rest of your day. Okay, bye.